Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pam, and in today's video I want to share with you guys these products that I received complimentary from Biossance. I just want to share my morning routine and how I have been using some of these products. So if that's what you like, stay tuned and keep watching. So you guys, I would just like to mention that I haven't changed much on my skincare routine. So I am still using the CeraVe facial foaming cleanser. Like you can see, I just take mostly one pump, but I don't know what happened. I took 2 pumps in this video. Like you just need just a little bit. So I'm just gonna rub that on my face, you know, just use the 60-second rule and just go ahead and rinse it off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dry it off with a paper towel. So that's what I'm doing over here, and I am also doing this gently because I have learned that the more I put too much pressure on my skin, the more I irritate it, the more acne. You know the drill. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the eye cream. You guys, look at all that cute packaging. I'm using this Squalane Agave eye cream, like you can see, and I'm just gonna open it and show you guys how it looks. Look at all that cuteness, look at all that packaging. I love cute packages, like cute, like they're thinking of us, you know. And it doesn't have any smell. That's a plus for me because I am a person who is allergic to so many things. Like I have so many seasonal allergies, and this just made me so happy. It's not smelling, like you can't smell nothing. Like seriously, you can't smell nothing. So I'm just gonna gently just apply it on my eyes, under my eyes, like so, like just gently, you know. Some people just dab it in, but I like to just press it on the, like kind of rubbing it towards my outer part of my eye, because it just kind of, like, you know, pulls your face. Like I don't know how to explain this, but I think you guys get it. So the next thing in this morning routine is the Biossance Squalane Vitamin C and Rose Oil. That's how the cute bottle looks like, you guys. I can't even I'm not gonna say much about this. Y'all saw that. So here I went a little overboard, but you can take 2 to 3 drops of this Squalane Vitamin C plus Rose Oil and just gently rub it on your face. And like I always say, like you guys, don't come for me, like don't do it. I'm not a dermatologist or an esthetician. I just do what I see people do, like professionals do. But in this video I was just doing it the way I feel like it works for me, you know what I mean. Anywho, so I just rub it on my face and just gently, just, you know, just let it sit, and let it sit. So that's what I'm doing over here. Y'all should just forgive my hype because I'm so hyped. So you guys, after my Squalane Vitamin C plus Rose Oil serum, I go ahead and use my sunscreen, which I did not show in this video because it hasn't launched yet, and I'm so excited about that. I'm gonna be sharing soon in my Instagram post, so if you guys wanna know, just stay on the lookout for that. I'll leave my Instagram link in my description. So for the Squalane plus lactic acid night resurfacing cream, I do not use it in the same routine with the vitamin C because I know that alpha hydroxy acids mixed with vitamin C can be too much for the skin. So before you apply them together, make sure you check the percentages and check the ingredients and check if it is right for your skin. It's always good to do a patch test before you apply it on your actual face. So I'm not a dermatologist, like I always say. that's just something that I gathered. So that's just it for this video. I used my Rimmel London clear lip gloss in this video just to moisturize my lips, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start my day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.